Hello and welcome. I'm John, your safety trainer, here with today's lesson on returning to work after a pandemic for office cleanliness and behaviors. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to get credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. During a pandemic, local and federal government officials may require that non-essential businesses close for a specified amount of time and that essential businesses keep running to help the public keep their access to services. If you are working in an office that has been closed or you've been put on an extended absence, the question may arise about what to do when you get back to work. In this lesson, we'll cover what to do when you return, cleanliness tips, and behavioral tips that you can use to help you and your office conduct business as close to normal as possible. If you have had an extended or even a short period of absence from work and are coming back, there are some things you can do to prepare. If you have a return date or are anticipating a return to the office after working remotely, it is recommended that you make sure you are continuing to practice appropriate hygiene habits. Give your body a boost by eating nutritionally balanced meals. Continue to monitor yourself for symptoms. If you are feeling symptomatic or are feeling sick, inform your manager or supervisor. You should also inform your supervisor of any recent exposure to people who have shown symptoms for or have tested positive for the disease responsible for the pandemic. If you are returning to work with any personal items, make sure they are cleaned and disinfected. Take preliminary steps to organize your inbox if you have access to your work email, and get plenty of sleep the night before. Most importantly, do not forget the personal responsibility you have for health in the workplace. Again, it cannot be overstated that returning to the office after an extended absence can feel daunting. Fear felt before and after a pandemic can only add to these feelings. As you come back to work, it will be even more important that you attend any orientations or safety trainings that are scheduled, and ask your supervisor about any changes that may have occurred in your absence. It can be useful to create a to-do list and prioritize tasks. Focus on the most important tasks and leave aside the things that can be left for later. You may need to refamiliarize yourself with your workstation and the locations of files. Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.